Ahmed, it has been a joy working with you in writing your memoir, which is called Tea Time in Mogadishu. Why has it been important for you for these memoirs to be written?
It is testimony. It is my testimony, and the way as a follower of Christ. Many people of Somali and Muslims have a lot of misconception, misperception about what Christianity is all about.
Ahmed, many of your Muslim friends and other Muslims as well will be reading these memoirs. What do you hope they hear when they read your story?
I wanted my friends to hear that Christ is our peace.
Both Muslims and Christians talk about peace. What is distinctive about the peace of Christ?
The peace of Christ is not a peace that is forced. It's a peace that comes through suffering.
Ahmed, as a Christian, I have been very moved reading your story. What is it that you hope that I, as a Christian, or other Christians, will receive from your story?
My answer to friends and people who don't know even about me, that the gospel of Christ is a gospel of suffering. It is not things that are easy going. I go to church on Sunday and that's it. But rather, Christ, if you want to follow, you must take up your cross. And therefore, through that, you bring a peace to the nations.
So that's what you mean when you say that you are an ambassador of the peace of Christ within the world of Islam.
What I'm talking about is that we are all, as the Bible says, we are all ambassadors of Jesus. And that's a very Somali. When people come to you, you have to be giving hospitality. Hospitality is a part of peacemaking.
That is interesting.
We say in the Somali, also we say, when you're building a house, we call them akal, a house. In the middle of the house, there's a wood that holds together the Somali house, nomad house, the tent. That's called udub. Jesus is the one that holds everything together. That message, I wanted that to come through also.
Ahmed, thank you very much. I have been deeply stirred by your book. I have wept over some of those chapters, and I hope that this book will be a blessing to many others, as it has already been to me.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
And I hope the same thing, that it become a blessing to the people who read.
Thank you.